Hello, bonjour! Have you ever looked at the back of your protein tub? See what ingredients is in there? Like xanthan gum and artificial sweetener and fillers? Today I'm teaching you how to make your own with complete whole foods, dehydrated, but just whole foods, nothing else. And it's easy to make at home, it's cleaner, it's cheaper, and your body will love you for it. Because as we know, the xanthan gum is just not a good thing for your microbiome. While we're talking about the xanthan gum, let me tell you about it. It's a thickener, an emulsifier. They put a bacteria on corn sugar, and that creates a slimy, viscous broth. And then they use isopropyl alcohol to separate the powder from that broth. It's a liquid, it stays. So it takes away the goo, and then they have something liquid that they can dehydrate in a powder. You know what isopropyl alcohol is used for? It's a disinfectant, it's a solvent, and it cleans electronics. Do you really want this in your body? But today I'm going to teach you how to make your own. Super simple, as usual. So we start with the ashwagandha, 20 grams. Ashwagandha is good for stress, anxiety, sleeplessness, fatigue, and cortisol, to regulate your cortisol. There you go. Then we continue with the green bananas. Green bananas is good for diabetes, it lowers the bad cholesterol, it decreases inflammation. Why not? And we add 20 grams of that. Next one that we add is the M protein, which I don't have today, but I have pea protein. Also add 20 grams. There we go. And then the next one is we add maqui berry, which today I have a mix of berries. And that one is 30 grams. So that helps with make it less bitter. The next one is baobab. Baobab is excellent for immune function and for their digestion and blood sugar level. It's 30 grams of the baobab. So there we go. Next one is 𝗘-𝗕, is immune system, skin health, and anti-inflammatory. And we add as well 30 grams. And the next one is cinnamon. 30 grams. Cinnamon is excellent for blood sugar, cholesterol, antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory. And we use 30 grams. Next one is mesquite. Fiber, various minerals, calcium, magnesium, potassium, excellent. It's a delicious taste. 30 grams. And then lucuma. Lucuma is antioxidant, vitamins, minerals, blood sugar regulation. It's, you know, it's all good things. So another 30 grams. And you might ask, how did I come to that mix? I simply looked, first of all, at the protein powder and see what was best in all of them for your health. And then the next thing is I just mix them together, and I put some, I put less, some I put more. As you can see, the green banana and ashwagandha was 20 grams because it's more bitter. So I still want it to taste good. And then you simply wet your finger and take a little bit of the powder and have a taste. You like the taste, you're gonna like the taste into what you eat. You can add it to your, I mean, so many things, right? Smoothies and all sorts of things. Whoopsies. So, oh, and you have to be careful. It's a powder. It really goes everywhere. I just want to mix it here. Make sure it's all mixed. Then you use a jar, and then you put it in your jar. And then you have it on hand. There. Depending on the jar, you can see if you have a smaller jar, if it fills half, then you can do another time that recipe. But I'm showing you my jar. This is my jar. So, and I have my recipe on my jar. So I don't have to look for it somewhere in my file. It's on my jar, and I keep reusing my jar. I also have a deep jar, so I have my spoon on a string. So it's easier when it, goes way down in the jar there. I'm not losing the spoon. Now, I would just want to show you that you can do something delicious with that protein powder. Why not in your cereals in the morning? I do have a class on the cereal that I will put the link. It's the cereal that is made with sprouted seeds and sprouted grains. So I have in there 80 grams and 150 grams of milk. I mixed it, put it in my fridge overnight, and here's the result. So it's ready to eat. And then I like the thickness. You can always add more milk if you like. And to that, when I put it in the fridge, I did add 1 tablespoon of my powder already. So it's already in there. So now we have our breakfast ready, which you can warm up as well if you like. That is entirely up to you. And now let's just add some fruits to it. When you buy your bananas, they will come with the tip like this, the end covered. Leave it. That helps so that it doesn't ripen as fast. So leave it, it's important. And then let's cut our banana. Oh, that one could have been a little bit more ripe. It's a little bit on the unripe side, which is actually better. So if you're good with eating bananas that are like that, even better. There we are. I'm cutting it and I'm leaving it all together like this so I can fan my bananas. That's why I'm doing that. You see, it's all fanned. Then next, I have here some beautiful strawberries, and the greens are perfect. So I will eat the green. I eat the greens. You can take the greens out if you like, but I love the greens in those when they're fresh like this. And look at the look. I mean, it makes a beautiful, beautiful presentation, right? To have those greens there at the end of our strawberries. And here I have some beautiful blueberries as well. Blueberries are excellent. They all have, you know, packed with antioxidant. Of course, you know, berries are excellent for you, right? I like to add as well some sprouted pumpkin seeds. And those are pumpkin seed from Austria, and they're delicious, and they have, well, like, as you can see, the color that tells you they have more nutrition. So you can have a breakfast that is ready like this in no time. I added 1 tablespoon of protein powder, 2 grams, it gives you about 2 grams. You can add more, but remember, yes, it maybe doesn't give you as more proteins as they say in those other tubs, but this is whole food. Your body knows what to do with whole food. Plus you have all the other aspect of health that comes along with it. The recipe will be in the post below. There you are. Enjoy. We'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe.